Hello everyone. Today I'm just going to be giving you a 2-year update on my Dolce mini me coffee machine, and this might be my last video with this machine before I get replaced with a brand new coffee machine. I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet, but I've got to try a lot of money to save up for my new machine. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making 2 hot chocolates using my machine, and possibly a little bit later I'll tell you of what coffee machine I've chosen to replace the Dolce mini me. So let's get on with it. So first of all, we're going to be making 1 Milky Way hot chocolate, which is 5 bars. Just pop that in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Pop that under that and flip it to hot. Right, so that's 1 Milky Way hot chocolate. Just going to pull that out. And I'll get back to you very, very shortly with the other next drink I'm going to be making. Right, onto the other next drink now. I'm going to be making for myself 1 Galaxy gingerbread hot chocolate here. That is 6 bars on this one. So let's get that slotted into there. 6 bars. And see if there's any of the gingerbread syrup. No, there isn't. I'll just have it as it is, and flip it to the hot side. It's been acting up for the past few months. And it has been leaking hot water through the system somewhere as well. That's my Galaxy gingerbread hot chocolate there. And just so that you know of what machine I'm going to be replacing this one with, it'll be a Dolce, but it'll be having a group head and also a frother, which will be different to this one that I've been having. So yep, it's served me very, very well these past 2 years, and that's the end of the video. So hopefully you've enjoyed me watching giving this coffee machine its final voyage on my YouTube channel, and until next time, see you again very soon. Bye for now.